के बारे में महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी दी गई है। कृपया अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें और सुनिश्चित कर लें कि विमानकर्मी दल जो फाइनल चेक के लिए आएंगे वह इसे देख सके। धन्यवाद। Dear customers, for everyone's safety, it is required all customers to comply with posted placards and illuminated information signs located throughout the cabin in addition to any cabin crew member instructions. If you're seated in a seat with restrictive stowage emergency exit, please follow crew instructions and place baggage and all loose items into the overhead bins provided. Please give cabin careful attention as we take you through the safety features of this Airbus 320 aircraft, even if you're a frequent flyer. This aircraft is equipped with 8 emergency exits. They clearly marked with exit signs and are located 2 exits in the front of the aircraft, 4 exits in the middle of the cabin, 2 exits in the rear part of the aircraft. During an emergency, a lit pathway will guide you to an exit. Your cabin crew is pointing this out to you now. Please look now for your nearest exits, bearing in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave all luggage behind. Take off your high heel shoes or anything sharp that may damage the flight and evacuate using your seat and pull the mask towards you. This will start the flow of oxygen. Remove your personal protective face mask before donning an oxygen mask. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Remember to place your own mask first before helping others. In case of landing on water and when instructed by the cabin crew, remove the life vest from its pouch and pull it over your head. Put the straps around your waist, fasten at the front and tighten by pulling the tabs. Once you're outside the aircraft, inflate the life vest by pulling the red toggles as shown. If fails to inflate or need topping up, blow into these tubes. A safety card is located in the seat pocket in front of you. Please study it carefully as it contains important information regarding exit routes, oxygen mask, life vest and brace position. You must adopt in case of an emergency landing. The cabin crew will now perform a final check. Please ensure your seatbelts fastened and clearly visible for the crew. Thank you for your attention. Thank you, cabin crew.